Welcome back to Luxury Cribs America, where we explore the most extraordinary homes in the United States. Today we're stepping inside something truly groundbreaking. America's first ever $100 million, fully AI-controlled smart home. This mansion is so advanced, so futuristic, it feels like it was built 20 years ahead of the rest of the world. And the moment you see what it can do, you'll understand why. Here's the hook. Every single room in this home is controlled by AI. Not just lighting or temperature, literally everything. Doors, walls, windows, sound systems, security, appliances, water features, elevators, even the artwork on the walls. All of it responds instantly to voice, gesture, biometrics, and behavior. Let's begin with the entrance. As soon as you walk up, hidden sensors scan your face, detect your posture, and confirm your identity before the front doors slide open automatically. The moment you step inside, the lighting shifts to match your mood, and the glass walls tint themselves based on sunlight and privacy settings. The home's AI assistant welcomes you by name and adjusts the entire environment without you lifting a finger. Now we enter the living room. This space is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass that becomes transparent, frosted, or fully opaque with a single command, or no command at all. The system anticipates weather patterns and adjusts the home's lighting and temperature before changes even occur. Even the furniture has embedded sensors that analyze posture and adjust support for comfort. Next, check out the kitchen, one of the most advanced ever installed in a private home. Every appliance is voice-activated. The AI-controlled refrigerator tracks ingredients, suggests recipes, and automatically orders groceries before you run out. The countertops are smart surfaces that can heat, cool, or turn into interactive screens for cooking tutorials. Now let's explore the tech hub of the house, the AI core room. This is the brain of the mansion, a climate-controlled data center with redundant servers, security firewalls, and real-time diagnostics on every system in the home. It monitors energy usage, air quality, biometric access, and potential intrusions. The entire home learns your behavior patterns and optimizes itself daily. Next, the master suite. This room is straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bed analyzes sleep cycles and adjusts its firmness. The lights shift with circadian rhythm, and the walls morph with digital art based on your mood. Even the shower automatically sets water temperature using thermal body readings. Now let's see the entertainment floor. This level contains a private IMAX theater, a 360-degree audio chamber, a gaming arena with holographic projection walls, and a fully AI-controlled nightclub. The lighting system shifts dynamically with music, and the bar organizes cocktails based on previous preferences. But the craziest part? The AI security system. This isn't just cameras, it's full-body thermal mapping, drone perimeter patrols, smart locks, and predictive threat analysis. If someone approaches the property, the system automatically notifies authorities and activates defensive protocols. Finally, the outdoor spaces. The pool is self-cleaning, self-heating, and self-illuminating based on time of day. The outdoor kitchen adjusts ventilation automatically, and the entire landscape is maintained by drone gardeners and moisture sensors. This home isn't just luxurious, it's a glimpse into the future of living. A future where homes anticipate needs, keep you safe, maintain themselves, and personalize every experience through artificial intelligence. This is America's first $100 million AI mega mansion, and it changes everything. If you want a part 2 showcasing more futuristic AI luxury homes, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Cribs America, bringing you the most incredible properties across the USA.